everyone, Josh here, or the Ham and Caver, and I received a package from the Outdoor Equipment Expert. It is a shop on Amazon, and they reached out to me to see if I would be able to review their light. So we're going to go ahead and open this package up. I have not even opened it yet, so this will be the first time I'm seeing it as well. I ordered it on Amazon since I'm an Amazon Prime customer. It came here 2 days later. It's called the OrcaTorch D560. It's in a nice orange box. It says that it is 630 lumens, has an hour and 25-minute maximum runtime, beam distance of 119 meters, 150 meter water resistance, impact resistance is 1 meter, and it's a 3520 CD peak beam intensity. Made in China, but it's shipped from a US distribution center. So, like I said earlier, it was very, very quick. So we're going to kind of open it up. Alright, so inside, looks like you get a little vinyl sticker with their logo, warranty card, user guide. This is the hand strap here. Here is the light, and it has a little pressure clip here that you can either clip onto a helmet or however you want. You can also hold it in your hand. It's not very big, but it's made out of aluminum. Has a really nice feel to it. Feels solid. In these little baggies here are the O-rings to make it water resistant, and the AA batteries. Go ahead and put the battery in. Boy, it does have a good solid feel to it. Alright. Positive. Faces up. Makes a connection inside the flashlight head. And that's initially what's going to turn it on and off as soon as it makes contact. There's no brightness, it's either on or off. There's my initial look. Overall, it's a pretty nice little light. Taking it into a cave on Saturday. So, I'll continue that on there. I'm just going to give it a try in the caves without any other lights, just to kind of see how it does perform. Alright, so here we are inside Donahue Cave in Bedford, Indiana, and I'm in a small side passage with a small stream flowing through it. And here I've turned all my lights off, and in just a few moments, all the light I'm going to be using is going to be this OrcaTorch. And as you can see, it lights this passage up very, very nicely. The stream width right here you see is about 2 feet wide, with the actual passage being about 5 feet wide and about 5 feet tall. So in a small passage, it really illuminates. And please note that I am just using the standard AA battery that was shipped with the light. I am not using a 14,500 lithium ion, so just 1.5 volts. And here we are in another chamber. This is a much larger chamber. It's probably about 20 feet around, about 30 feet tall. And right now I just have my standard lights on, but turning those off, now we are looking just with the flashlight with the shipped AA battery. And as you can see, it's a little dusty, but this is the upper level. It's pretty good. Here is the same chamber with the same flashlight using a 14,500 lithium ion 3.7 volt battery. You can kind of see the beam in the middle. And we're back to the AA here. I was just borrowing that battery. So overall, this light inside a cave is actually really, really good. This is going to be a permanent piece of equipment in my caving gear, and overall I am very satisfied with this light. Alright, and that does conclude our quick product review of the OrcaTorch D560 handheld diving light. Say before, you do have a nice little wrist strap. One more time, just the ease of operation, high quality construction, very fast shipping. You got glass lens. Just overall a very, very nice light. If you're a diver, this is a must-have. to have a light this small, this lightweight, this easy to use, that can go 150 meters, run on a 1.5 volt or a 3.7 volt battery. You're not gonna, I don't think you'll find a light like this for this cheap anywhere else. So I highly recommend this if you're a caver. I recommend this as having a backup light. It's small, compact. It does feature a small mount that has a O-ring style clasp. You can clip it on. You can hold it in your hand. You can keep it in your pack. It's very easy to find. Very small, so it fits in the smallest or largest packs that you may have. So overall, just a great piece of equipment to have in your caving gear. And I'm going to have to say I'm very, very impressed with this. And as stated before, it's going to be a permanent addition to my equipment. Thanks everyone for watching. The Amazon link for this light will be in the description box. Click on that and kind of take a look at it. Check out all the reviews. There's been a lot of good reviews. So go ahead and make your own decision, but I highly recommend this. Thanks again for watching.